Dr. Kalani Brady from the John A. Burns School of Medicine joins us as he does every Thursday. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. How are you?
I am okay. Thank you. How are you?
Wonderful.
Some viewer questions, a lot of viewer questions this morning. Woman says, what causes hiccups and what's the best way to get rid of them?
Hiccups are caused by an irritation of the phrenic nerve that goes down and innervates the diaphragms. And if that nerve is irritated, it fires. And when it fires, the diaphragm contracts. And when it contracts, you get a hiccup. And a lot of times, calming down the diaphragm by holding your breath can work. That's what works for me. Some people, unfortunately, have conditions like kidney failure that leads to a lot of chronic hiccups no matter what. And there are medications that help somewhat with that. Your doctor, your kidney doctor in particular, probably can give you those medications. But they're a frustrating problem, but not dangerous.
I've had a hiccup attack on air. And I didn't know what to do about it, so yes. I'll remember that. A woman says she has eczema all over her face. What medication can she use to take care of this?
You know, Diane, eczema on your face may seem, oh, it's an irritation, but it's actually more serious. The disease is where the body is fighting itself, the immune system is causing breakdown, and it can be on your face or all over your body. It's a chronic condition that usually lasts for life, and the treatment is aggressive. So I'd go to a dermatologist and get appropriate treatment and tips on decreasing the eczema, calming down, centering, yoga, things like that, so that you can treat it with those creams and lotions and keep it from flaring.
Well, how do you know if it's eczema versus just a rash? Does this just flare up?
Well, get thee to a dermatologist, and that magical person can diagnose it, confirm your diagnosis.
Doctors. Okay, caller female says she's 65 and the VOG affects her sinuses. They clog up and then she gets pressure. What can she do? You
know, VOG is not an allergy, so allergy medications generally probably won't help. I use pseudoephedrine or Sudafed. I use the long-acting variety, the 12-hour, and I take it only in the morning so I don't stay up at night unable to sleep, and that can help. That helps me. VOG is an irritant, a particulate irritant, and so nothing's going to work magically.
All right. Thanks, doctor.
Yep.
Doc will check in with us again in just about a half an hour at 7, or 20 minutes at 7:20.